this one I scanned with the Medixa scanner. I'm still getting the handle on that one, but
Oh, you got that one? It has the screen on it? So
uh-huh.
ooh, nice.
Wireless. Yeah.
Is it as nice as it looks on paper?
There are some things I really like about it, some things I don't love, but for the most part, it's nice. The thing I do love about it is it being wireless.
Mhm.
And not having to deal with cords. I don't have to spend a fortune on a super high-end laptop in order to be able to just, run the scanning software. It just does it all in-house.
That's nice.
It's a little bit, the scan itself is fairly quick. The processing on the back end takes a little bit longer just because I think it's, all consolidated into that tiny little space. So I kind of wish there was a way where I could just be like, here, do this and then process it on a computer. Like it has the ability to do that after you kind of do some of the post processing. But all things considered, it's actually really nice. And it can get, I mean, I got it to do helmets, right? So I scanned my daughter's head just as like a tester when I very first got it. And I mean, when you take it at its fine resolution, it was measuring the thickness of the sticker and like
Wow.
super fine. So it's pretty cool. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it. So I do like that.
And do you pay per export or are they
Nope. One-time charge, free everything after that. So
nice?
it's cheaper. It's cheaper than all of their other scanners too. So I'm
Yep.
like, honestly, I don't know why anybody wouldn't. It has both IR and white light, so you can do either one. I'm like, if you have to scan high resolution for baby heads and stuff like that, I don't know why you'd use much anything else at
Yeah,
this
it's
point.
such a low barrier to entry for such a high quality piece of.
Realistically, yeah, I mean, I think it was like 5 grand, which I mean is not small, but the Peel and the others are more than that, and you have to have the computer that runs them.
100, 10,000, 15,000. I mean, I've seen scanners 25,000,
I know,
the
and
fact that there's a very high quality scanner, $5,000. I mean, that's good.
yeah, so I've been happy with it thus far.
Yeah.
And if you scan it with color, it gets really uncanny valley kind of creepy, truthfully, on on some things because you do get pretty good res.
Down to the mold.
Um, so it should be uploaded there. I
Okay.
can see
If you
the
copy link and then share that with me in the chat.
sure.
Let's see. Yeah, that's a good scan. Share my screen. Well, some areas, but not
Yeah.
not bad.
The areas that I was like, I'm pretty sure the computer can fill in that little bit over the thumb and the everything else, and then we won't be going up as high as where it cuts off at the
Yeah.
top. So I wasn't stressed about that.
Okay. Let's see. So this is the same software, but now finally I have um, a Windows computer,
Ah,
and yeah, so now I could drive it on my own. I went out and got a really nice one. Volar opening, dorsal opening, medial, lateral.
um, I mean, honestly, if we went either like dorsal or even just lateral opening, I think would be fine as well. I'm really mostly concerned about the thumb spica, and so like the looking at those,
Styloid though.
yeah,
Yes.
looking at those probably like the A3 or A4 would be.
Okay. Did you happen to, by chance, get, let's see, was that a left or a right arm? I forgot.
To left.
A thumb circumference, circumference of her IP joint.
6 centimeters.
Let's see, did it fill those holes? Sure did, didn't it? It's amazing.
Yeah.
You just pull it in and it's good to go.
Yeah, it's so nice.
I mean, the digital software has just come so far. Okay, so is it, I mean, a wrist hand orthosis and at this size, or would you like to make it?
So there's probably good.
Yeah. Any positional changes?
Um, Let me see. I got the thumb pretty much where I wanted it. I would maybe, if we can extend her wrist ever so slightly, she's a little flexed in the.
Tell me when.
That's probably good. Maybe back it off to like 15? 16's good. I think that would be good.
Good to go.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks fine.
'60 looks good. Actually,
Yeah, so the stylet right over, back at her thumb. I'm not as worried about the ulnar side. Yeah, it's more here in the radial area. I mean, if we just kind of
just do a little.
avoid, yeah, do a little build up and then, if we are able to take our trim lines around it,
Yeah.
like that'd be awesome. But then at least the trim lines are also flared from,
Yeah. I mean, this is 3 millimeters. Okay, that should be fine,
yeah.
if not too much. Yeah, it might be a little bit too much.
Yeah. Are you headed to um OT World this year?
Yeah, I'm going. I'm excited.
Nice. I seriously considered it. I actually had some buddies who were going to get me a ticket, but I just
Have you
couldn't
ever
justify taking the time away.
have you ever been to OT World?
I went in 2022 actually. I was presenting with Autobach back when I worked for them.
Nice.
That's where I first came into contact with you guys actually.
That's right. That's right. I remember. I got the email from Michiel. I think you originally met my colleague Michiel in the Spentys booth and
Probably.
put us in touch with each other.
Yeah. That was I like I say I was really tempted this year. I really wanted to go. I just could not make it work.
Yeah. Okay, this isn't the exact opening that you wanted, was it?
Um, no, but it's not bad. I mean, if we're able to make those things a little bit more open and breathable, a little more webby, kind of like we did the last one. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, I think that would probably be okay.
And I can even go a little bit wider on these trim lines.
Yeah. I think that'd be fine.
Okay. It's like good to go. The link's okay?
Yeah, I think that's fine.
I cannot remember what we did for the thickness on the last one.
I think we did 4 because we were doing it on TPU.
Yeah. Sounds
Which,
about
yeah, I talked to her and I was like, we can either use PA12, which is thinner but more rigid, or we can use TPU, which is a little bit more forgiving. She's like, do whatever you think's best. I'm like, do TPU. It'll
yeah.
be more comfortable.
Well, what do you think about this trim line on this thumb? Should we?
I was going to say, is there any way to bring it slightly more proximal? Just, it looks like you take it right up to the IP joint. Is that
Yeah,
the,
that's where we're putting it.
yeah, bring it, go ahead and, no, I was going to say the way you went before, bring it, I'm okay if she has IP joint motion.
Okay.
So maybe kind of halfway in between where it is now and the orange band. Right there. That's perfect.
On this trim line, let's maybe just. Looking upside down is a bit tricky.
Yeah.
Okay. We have an AFO generator coming out at
Yeah.
OT. Yeah,
That was actually going to be my next question. If you're doing AFOs, adult or pediatric size?
well, I mean, it'll generate whatever is the command, it'll generate. But printing, if printed by Spenties, then pediatric.
Okay. That's what I thought. That's where most people are still on the printing. Not too many. There's a few folks that are starting to do adult printing, but I don't feel like we fully cracked the code on that yet.
No, just I mean, the real estate and the cost,
Yeah.
it's still tricky. But you know, HP says that they're coming out with a machine that's $60,000, starts at $60,000.
That's a far cry from the $500,000
Yeah, it's a big deal, I think, if
MFJ.
it actually works out.
Man, if they did that, what's his
See,
name in North Carolina?
Brent?
Yeah, Brent would lose his stuff, I think. He'd be so happy.
I don't know, because you know he went pretty heavy into.
He does have a lot of money invested in MFJ printers.
Oh yeah, you're 100% right on that.
So
Big time.
so he might not be too happy if the barrier to entry drops, but
Well, I think you know I've always heard him say a rising tide raises all ships in the harbor, or
that
something
is true.
like that.
That is true.
Something like that. What do you think about this design?
I think that looks great. Honestly, that's right in line with what we're looking at. I think we just put some hooks on there for Velcro and be rocking and rolling.
Yeah. Would you like 6 or 4?
Great question.
We can make them kind of larger. Like you can do a 1.5-inch strap down here. More than welcome to rivet one of these sides as well. Like if you want to go that route.
Yeah, I'm just debating if I want to rivet. It probably makes sense to. It'll keep it a little bit lower profile if we do rivet, probably. Let's see, if I'm here, I'd probably rivet the thumb side and then pull over to the opposite. Man, you guys even give me the rivet holes. That's so nice.
Yeah, I mean, you get to really just drive it. You tell me where.
Yeah, say probably just mid distance between those two is fine. Like that, I think they look fine, honestly. I think that looks the one in the middle might have to slide slightly posterior. I can't tell it like as long as it's I think that looks good. You know what? Actually, can we slide that middle one both the loop and the rivet back a little bit? I just don't want it coming right over that ulnar styloid. I don't want it rubbing. Yeah, like right there. I think that'll be better. That'll be great.
Okay. And let's see. So for these, I've got select all. Make these 1-inch straps, and then make this one a 1/2-inch strap.
Perfect.
Something like that. Cool. I enjoy doing this with you. You know, I don't really design with anyone else. I haven't done one of these since the last time we did it. So hopefully this is
you don't show much rust. You still got it.
nice. Let's see, how long did that take me though? Well, that's okay. We will do it from here. I will upload it. We'll just ship it to the same place.
Yeah, that's perfect.